NEMED Plan. Welcome to our tutorial on the NEMED Standard Package for Individual Medical Insurance. Designed specifically for Northern Emirates visa holders in areas such as Ajman, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah, and Al Quwain. This plan offers essential medical coverage for employees with a monthly salary of up to AED 15,000, along with their spouses and children. Administered by NextCare, NEMED ensures access to reliable healthcare for you and your loved ones in both Dubai and the Northern Emirates region. It is mandatory to submit the following documents for the application: passport copy, visa copy, Emirates ID copy, salary certificate or labor contract, trade license copy for employees and investors. Click the link. Navigate to the Health Insurance section. Select the NEMED Plan option. Click on the Buy or Renew button to proceed. If you are purchasing a new policy, click on No. If you are renewing an existing policy, click on Yes. Enter insured details. Enter your first name and last name. Enter your date of birth in the required format. Select your marital status from the provided options. Select the visa type that applies to you. You'll be presented with the following options: new visa, visa renewal, change in employment. If you selected new visa, enter the Emirates ID applied date or country entry date or current date. If you select a visa renewal or change in employment, please enter the Emirates ID applied date or Emirates ID issued date. Provide your height and weight. BMI, body mass index, is calculated based on height and weight. A higher BMI may indicate obesity, which will automatically increase the premium. Select the gender. Enter your email address and mobile number. Select the policy term. Next, you'll need to select the relationship of the sponsor. Choose one of the following options: child or dependent, spouse, employee or investor, parents or parents-in-law, salary of employee or sponsor. Please select up to AED 15,000 option. Finally, you will be asked to select the visa you currently hold. Choose the option that applies to you from the list. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions, please select the relevant conditions from the list. If your condition is not listed, please select the other option and submit the medical reports for that specific condition. If you do not have any pre-existing conditions, select None. Declaring a pre-existing condition may result in an increased premium, and coverage will begin after 12 months. If you have been diagnosed with or treated for any critical medical conditions, please select the relevant conditions from the list. If you do not have any critical conditions, click None. Maternity declaration for married females only. For married females between the ages of 18 and 45, a maternity benefit applies. Pregnancy will be covered only after 12 months from the commencement of the first scheme membership. Pregnancy status. Are you pregnant? Select Yes or No as applicable. Are you currently trying to get pregnant? Select Yes or No as applicable. Enter the last menstrual period date. Mark the declaration checkbox and enter the required characters as shown. After entering all the necessary information, click Proceed to Next. A reference number will be generated. Keep this reference number safe, as it will be needed to retrieve the existing policy later. If the current page times out, follow these steps. Click the link again to access the page and select Health Insurance. Select the Retrieve option from the menu. Enter the reference number and the provided email ID. Click Retrieve Quote. Provide the full details of the insurer, passport number, Emirates ID number. For a new policy, in case the insured does not have an Emirates ID, please fill all one as the Emirates ID number, set the expiry date to the current date, and attach the Emirates ID application in place of the Emirates ID. For a renewal of policy, please provide a valid Emirates ID number starting with 784. Emirates ID expiry date. UID number. File number. Nationality. Visa expiry date. Select the Emirates of residence. Specify the sub-region of your emirate. Select residence visa place, Ajman, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah, and Al Quwain, Abu Dhabi is not possible. Choose the country of origin as United Arab Emirates. Select your occupation. Upload required documents. Marked documents are mandatory. Passport copy. Emirates ID copy. Visa copy. Labor contract or salary certificate. Sponsor details. Provide sponsor details. Sponsor name, company name. Sponsor UID, trade license number. Landline number. Email ID, the payment link will be sent here. Upload the trade license copy, marked documents are mandatory. Once confirmed, click on Review. Review all the details you've entered. Select your preferred payment mode. After clicking Generate Payment Link, the payment link will be sent to the sponsor's email ID. The payment link is valid for 24 hours. Once the payment is made, you will receive the following documents in your sponsor's email. Policy certificate. Payment receipt. Tax invoice. Table of benefits. E-card. By following these steps, you will be able to complete the entire health insurance application process smoothly. Please ensure the following. Your role is eligible for this plan. All required documents are correct and complete. Payment must be completed within 24 hours to ensure the payment link remains valid. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, please reach out to our customer support team for assistance. Be sure to provide your reference number and email ID when contacting us.